Hey, you definitely know these speakers. They have sold millions of copies, so today I'm going to turn down and look inside these JBL 305P MkII acoustic studio monitors with 5-inch woofers. At the end of video I will do a free ear test. Before this series, JBL sold the LSR 305 speakers. They look almost the same, but they have a different model name. Even these are budget class speakers. They have some built-in settings that you can adjust, which you don't always see on budget systems. But enough talking. Let's disassemble these speakers and see how they are built.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like